Welcome back. Today we're diving into the ultimate eyewear showdown, titanium versus acetate. If you're trying to decide whether your next pair of glasses should have a minimalist vibe or a bold, colorful look, you've come to the right place. Choosing the right frame material goes way beyond just aesthetics. It heavily impacts your daily comfort and how long the glasses will last. It also dictates how well they fit your unique face shape and complement your personal style. Today, we're going to break down the science and the style of these two industry titans. We'll look at weight, flexibility, and that all-important durability factor. Let's kick things off by exploring the high-tech world of titanium frames, known for being incredibly lightweight and hypoallergenic. They are a favorite for minimalist fans who value precision. Titanium is the powerhouse of eyewear. It's exceptionally lightweight, giving you a premium, barely there feel. This makes it perfect for all-day comfort. You might even forget you're wearing them. It's also incredibly tough, highly resilient, corrosion-resistant, and virtually unbreakable. This resilience makes it a stellar choice for any active lifestyle. Visually, titanium frames define a sleek, minimalist aesthetic, the ultimate expression of modern design. Clean lines and a metallic finish offer a look that is professional and cutting-edge. Whether you value comfort or design, titanium is the pinnacle of engineering. Upgrade your perspective. Experience titanium today. Visit our collection to find your pair. Thank you for watching. When it comes to premium eyewear, the choice often boils down to two heavyweights, titanium and acetate. It's a trade-off between aerospace engineering and artisan craftsmanship. But which one is right for you? Let's start with weight. Titanium is the featherweight champion of the optical world. It can weigh as little as 2 grams, making it perfect for 16-hour daily wear without those annoying nose marks. Acetate is denser, but many prefer its balanced, tactile presence. It feels secure and premium on the face. Now let's talk about the look. If you want to make a bold fashion statement, acetate is your artist's palette. Because it's cut from sheets, it allows for rich colors, deep patterns, and those classic, chunky silhouettes. Titanium, on the other hand, is for the minimalist. It's sleek, thin, and professional, the barely there intellectual look. But what about the fit? Titanium frames are actually harder to bend because the material is so rigid. To compensate, they almost always come with adjustable nose pads, allowing you to fine-tune how they sit on your unique features. Acetate is thermoplastic. A pro can heat and reshape the entire frame to contour perfectly to your head. Longevity is where titanium truly shines. It's virtually indestructible and resistant to corrosion. It won't rust or tarnish from sweat or makeup, passing laboratory stress tests with flying colors. Acetate is sturdy but can become brittle over many years and is sensitive to extreme heat, so don't leave them on the dashboard. For those with sensitive skin, both are great choices, but titanium is the gold standard. It's 100% nickel-free and medically biocompatible, the same stuff used in dental implants. Of course, there's the price. Titanium production requires vacuum welding and precision CNC milling. This specialized process makes them a true luxury investment, often costing more than their plastic counterparts. Acetate production is also labor-intensive, involving weeks of curing and days of hand polishing for that signature shine. Lately, we're seeing a rise in hybrids, combining the bold style of acetate with the lightweight comfort of titanium. And for the eco-conscious, bioacetate is a growing trend, made from 100% renewable materials. So, which do you choose? Titanium for the active minimalist or acetate for the fashion-forward individual? Think about your lifestyle, your prescription, and how much weight you want on your bridge. Both materials represent the pinnacle of modern eyewear. The perfect pair is waiting for you. Precision versus expression, engineering versus art. The choice is yours. Visit us today to discover our full collection of titanium and acetate frames. Thanks for watching. When it comes to premium eyewear, acetate stands in a category of its own. It's more than just a material, it's a craft. In this study, we'll explore the tactile and structural properties that define it. We'll compare it to titanium and discuss how to keep your frames in pristine condition. As for the feel, acetate is hypoallergenic and sits very comfortably against the skin, though you should note that it is generally heavier than titanium. This weight provides a sense of substance, a heft that many enthusiasts associate with high-quality craftsmanship and durability. Unlike molded plastic, acetate is a plant-based material, often derived from renewable wood pulp and cotton fibers. It's also quite durable and flexible enough for everyday use. This flexibility is a key advantage for long-term wear. This flexibility allows the frame to maintain its shape over time, adapting to the wearer's face while resisting impact from daily activity. However, you do have to be a bit careful. The polished finish on acetate frames can degrade over time if exposed to harsh chemicals. Common culprits include hairspray, perfume, and certain household cleaners which can strip the material's natural luster. To maintain that signature shine, simple lukewarm water and a mild soap are all you need. Avoid abrasive sponges or alcohol-based wipes. Avoiding extreme heat is also key. Acetate is thermoplastic, meaning it can warp if left in a hot car for extended periods. Despite these care needs, acetate remains the choice for those who value depth of color and a timeless, skin-friendly feel. Whether you prefer a bold silhouette or a modern finish, understanding your materials ensures your frames last a lifetime. Thank you for joining this study. When choosing new glasses, the most important decision isn't just the shape, it's the material. Today we're comparing titanium and acetate. Choose titanium if your priorities are ultimate durability, next-level lightness, and a sleek, minimal look. It's hypoallergenic and incredibly resilient. On the other hand, choose acetate if you want bold colors, chunky designs, and a comfortable fixed fit against your skin. It offers a classic, statement-making presence. Acetate glasses typically lack separate nose pads, relying on a fixed, molded bridge. This means they must sit comfortably right from the start. Titanium frames feature adjustable pads, allowing for a hyper-precise fit that can be tailored to any nose shape. If you're ready to start shopping, you can explore and compare specific frames using the VisionWorks guide. Or check out some trendy acetate designs directly on the Ray-Ban Acetate storefront. Proper maintenance will keep them looking new for years. Choose the material that feels right for you. Happy frame hunting, and thanks for watching.